Today, I'm going to talk about a very important topic that's most of us may have go through recently or in the past, and that is about if one of your child comes home and mention that one of their closest friend have grieving because of loss of their loved one. That could be grandmother, grandpa, grandmother, aunt, uncle, mom, dad, or anyone that they know that they were close to. So how you navigate that path. So experiencing the loss of a loved one is, as I mentioned, is a deeply emotional journey, especially for children who may encounter this situation for the first time. As parents, supporting our children when a classmate's loved ones passed away is crucial in helping them navigate their emotions and understand the concept of loss and grief. Here are some essential tips on how to support your child if a classmate has a loved one's die. First, I would encourage empathy and compassion. Help your child understand the importance of empathy and compassion towards their classmate who is grieving. Encourage them to offer kind words, hugs if appropriate, and a listening ear to their friends during their difficult time. The second one is be open and honest. Be open and honest with your child about death and the grieving process, because sometimes we may try to ignore or may try to distract them. So use age-appropriate language, when you're trying to explain them what have happened, and encourage them to ask questions. Reassure them that it is okay to feel sad and confused, because sometimes children may not feel that feeling sad, feeling confused is a normal feeling. Offer emotional support. Be available to listen to your child feeling and concern about their classmates' loss. Validate their emotions and provide comfort and reassurance. Let them know that it is normal to feel sad and encourage them to express their condolences in a way that feels comfortable to them. Teach them how to offer support. Help your child understand how they can support their grieving classmate. Encourage them to offer kids gestures such as writing a sympathy card, drawing a picture, or simply being present and offering a listening ear. Respect culture and religious differences, especially, when we are living in such a diverse community. Be mindful of cultural and religious differences when discussing death and mourning with your child. Teach them to be respectful of their classmates' beliefs and customs surrounding death and grieving. Model empathy and compassion. Model empathic and compassionate behavior towards your child and others. Show them how to offer support and kindness to those who are grieving by setting a positive example. Encourage healthy coping strategies. Help your child cope with their own emotions by encouraging healthy coping strategies such as talking about their feeling, engaging in activities they enjoy, and spending time with sportive friends and family members. So by offering support, empathy, and understanding to your child during times of loss, you can help them develop empathy and resilience while navigating the complexities of grief and bereavement. Together, you can foster a compassionate and supportive environment where your child feels empowered to offer comfort and support to their grieving classmate. Thank you for listening to this video.